Today, we are making Bel Sharbat, a traditional Indian summer drink made from bel fruit. It is cooling, refreshing, and good for digestion. Ingredients: bel fruit, 1 medium, cold water, 4 cups, sugar or jaggery, 4 to 5 tablespoons, black salt, ½ teaspoon, roasted cumin powder, ½ teaspoon, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon, mint leaves, optional, ice cubes, optional. Step 1. Break the bel fruit. Break the hard shell of the bel fruit carefully. Step 2. Remove the pulp. Take out the soft pulp using a spoon and place it in a bowl. Step 3. Soak the pulp. Add 1 cup water to the pulp and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Mash the pulp. Mash the pulp properly with your hands or a spoon so the flavor mixes well with the water. Step 5. Strain the mixture. Strain the mixture using a sieve to remove seeds and fiber. Step 6. Add water. Add 3 more cups of cold water to the strained bel pulp. Step 7. Add sweetener. Add sugar or jaggery and mix until it dissolves completely. Step 8. Add spices. Add black salt, roasted cumin powder, and lemon juice. Step 9. Mix well. Stir everything nicely until the sharbat becomes smooth and refreshing. Step 10. Serve chilled. Pour into glasses. Add ice cubes and garnish with mint leaves. Your traditional bel sharbat is ready. A naturally cooling, healthy, and refreshing drink for hot summer days.